Kaspa holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate all the love that you guys show on a daily basis. Let's analyze and take a look at what's happening with Kaspa right now and what we could be expecting going into Thursday morning. So if we're looking across the board on the daily time frame, we're seeing some coins, still seeing a retracement, but overall the market still did have a really positive day. If you're looking at the last 1 hour, you're starting to see market really pushing back into the green, which is obviously nice to see. As far as Kaspa is concerned, we're looking at about 8.9 cents almost if you were to round it up as far as the price is concerned, pushing up to that 9 cents slowly but surely. We're up almost in about 1% in USD comparative, down about 0.6% in BTC comparative. Valuation 2.3 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at $37 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So dominance over the last 24 hours has been, seeing a little bit of an uptick as we can see across the board. Nothing crazy, but definitely something that, we can keep in mind. And obviously worth pointing out is the fact that we have seen a little bit of a bounce for the dominance itself. But look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin has pushed back above $112,000 over the last 1 hour to be exact. Now you can see, we were sitting at 111,000 not too long ago, but BTC has pushed back up and we're about to retest 113. I think we did retest 113 and it got rejected at that level. But even though, we're seeing some positive price action for Bitcoin, we still need to be watching out for 115 to be reclaimed, and then we'll take it from there. And I did mention this in my Cardano update. It's really important to close our, monthly candle on a really positive note. And as of now, we are seeing the price of Bitcoin in this upwards trend over the last, 48 hours. But again, nothing to be getting overly excited about just yet because we still are below our key levels. But with that being said, let's analyze and take a look at what's happening with Kaspa. So I spoke to you guys about Kaspa and this key range, of course, at 8.2 cents, how time and time out the support has played out for us, quite significantly as a major support. And I highlighted to you guys in my last update, if you did end up watching it, that, we're seeing usually after retesting the support, we do see some sort of a bounce occurring, within the price of Kaspa. And as of now, that's exactly what's been the case with Kas. After literally retesting the support, we're looking at an increase of almost 8%, guys. So almost an 8% increase for Kaspa after retesting this key support line. So again, we're not surprised on this channel the fact that we have seen a little bit of a bounce, but dominance still also playing a huge role for Kaspa right now, and specifically Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is able to push above this key range, maybe reaching 117,000 later this week, I think Kaspa could push back into this blue zone. Reason why I'm confident about that is because right now altcoins are going to be outpacing BTC because of the fact that the dominance is so low. So again, for us to talk about some of these key levels, first and foremost, we want to be looking at, step-by-step process. First resistance would be around the 10 cents. And then the door could be open for us to push up to the 11 cents key range. But so far, so good. Like what I'm seeing here, hopefully we are able to reclaim back up into this blue zone. I do expect a little bit of a rejection at this range due to obviously this being a resistance. But breaking out here would mean, something quite interesting for Kaspa. But so far, so good. Still remaining above this key support line. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. Love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX and peace out.